Hi guys, I'm back with the Gel Polish Mini. So Madam Glam was kind enough to send me over some of their new chrome gel paints. And so thank you to Madam Glam for sending me these items. And they also sent me over some acrylic paint pens. Now y'all know I can't draw. So with the 3 gel paint colors, vintage chrome, rose chrome, and gold chrome gel paint, and 3 acrylic nail art pens. There's a white, a vibrant blue, and a nice pink. And so I will do a mani with the chrome paints and one with the acrylic paint pens. Now y'all, I can't draw. So when y'all see the video, don't even say nothing. Don't say nothing. Don't even say nothing, because it's like a kindergartner was drawn, but it's okay. That's just not my area of expertise. And so with the vintage, that's a silver chrome. Looks really nice in the jar. Really nice. And so I'm just opening those up. I did not swatch them. And then we have a gold chrome gel paint. Of course, it is what it is, gold. And then we have the rose chrome gel paint, which I think that was kind of hard to see on the camera. It looked more like a dark gold to me. Again, but the video picks up and what my eyes saw and what my brain processed it as. And they're really kind of liquidy chrome gel paints. So these could be used for nail art or for painting the nail. So per my normal practice, I have on Holo Taco Pili base coat on top of my builder gel application. And I'm going in and applying 1 coat of Madam Glam's base coat. And as a reminder, Madam Glam gel polishes are 21 free, cruelty free, vegan free, palm oil free. They're also HEMA free. And so with the gel paints, I had the wrong brush first. I had an ombre brush, and I was like, So I immediately grabbed my application brush from Madam Glam. And so I'm going in and trying to get a small layer of that chrome paint. And I end up grabbing too much initially. So you gotta be careful with that, because you want to apply a very thin layer of this polish, because when you go to cure, if it's too thick, it's going to wrinkle. And so these are, if I'm not mistaken, a 60-second cure in an LED lamp. And so I'm just getting that application on my nail. And I'm just doing some random stuff on my nails with this, because I wanted to just try out different things. So this is not any kind of particular mani, or I'm going for a design or anything like that. I was just trying out different things. And so before you go, of course, I have to tell you about Madam Glam's payment options. They do have a VIP membership program, and with that is $29 a month. And you get a $29 credit. You can use that for 50% off your gel polish purchase. Also, you get free shipping, and it gives you access to early releases as well. If not, I do have an affiliate discount code with Madam Glam, and you can select the pay as you go option and introduce my discount code at checkout. And you can also click the bit.ly link in my description box below. So here with my ring finger, I'm going in and doing a little French action here. I then go in with a gel brush and alcohol to clean up that line, and I end up messing it up. And then I go in and try to correct that again. I'm not the best with nail art. I'm going to go ahead and tell you, I'm not the best, but I do the best that I can. So on my thumbnail, I wanted to try something different. So I'm doing like a little, it's not a tic-tac-toe board, but that's basically what I'm drawing without the X's and O's. And so I draw a line. Again, I'm using a liner brush. These came in a set. I think I got them off Amazon, maybe. Or did I get them off Temu or Shein? I have no idea. But I'm just going in with the liner brush and drawing lines on the nail, drawing 2 vertical and 2 horizontal, and then I'm going to alternate the squares where I paint them in. And I did speed this up for time purposes. Now with this kind of checkerboard on the nail, I do want to try, I'm wondering if these would stamp metallic or chrome like on the nail. So I do want to try stamping with these, but I'm just a little worried since it's gel getting that on my skin. So we're gonna see how that works. But I'm just filling in that middle square. I end up putting too much polish in that middle square. I use the nail brush to paint the outer 2 squares and the lower outer 2 squares on the nail. Again, middle nail was too much gel polish in that middle nail. Again, if you are a wonder or a whiz with drawing, these would work absolutely perfect. They were easy to use. Let me be clear. They were very easy to use. Even with the liner brush, they're nicely pigmented and everything. So you really can't go wrong unless you're like me and can't draw. So after I kind of clean the lines up a little bit, I do flash cure my hand in the LED lamp just so that it wouldn't run. They didn't appear to be runny at all. And so now on my pinky, I'm just going in and doing a little using a dotting tool, doing a little dots, polka dots on the nail. Again, just trying out different things, no rhyme or reason with this. I just wanted to try different looks on the nail, and so I didn't like those, and so I'm just going in with a lint-free wipe and alcohol, removing that from the nail, and then we're going to try it again. So once I get all of my nails done the way that I want them, testing them out with the gel paints, I do a full 60-second cure. And if I'm not mistaken, when I looked these up on Madam Glam's site, it said that they were no wipe. However, I did just barely touch my middle finger and it appeared to be tacky. So I don't know. So I end up putting top coat on these. So after I get all my nails cured in my LED lamp, I'm going in and applying Madam Glam's No Wipe Top Coat and curing for 30 seconds in my LED lamp. And so of course, after I finish curing, I do apply cuticle oil. Now for me, this particular color, it didn't look chrome to me. It looked more metallic versus chrome. It didn't give me that shiny chrome look that I was expecting. So guys, please like this video if you found value. Leave me a comment, let me know what you think, and subscribe to my channel. It is free. So I appreciate you guys for watching. I'll see you next time.